Most people compare Survey Junkie and InboxDollars the wrong way. They focus only on which app looks easier. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real difference is not just pay rates. It is how each platform structures earning opportunities, and how fast you can actually convert effort into cash. In this video, you will learn exactly which pays more in 2026, how each platform really works, and which one is better depending on your time and goals. Let's start with Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is built almost entirely around surveys. That means your earnings depend on how many surveys you qualify for and complete. For example, Alex signs in and sees multiple surveys, but half of them screen him out based on his profile. This is normal. Survey Junkie is selective, but when you qualify, it is very straightforward. You answer questions, earn points, and cash out. Now here's where it gets interesting. Survey Junkie is simple, but limited. If you only rely on surveys, your earning potential is capped. You won't find many alternative income streams inside the app. Now let's look at InboxDollars. InboxDollars works differently. It offers surveys, but also includes videos, games, offers, emails, and cashback tasks. Jake uses InboxDollars and notices something quickly. Even when surveys are slow, he can still earn from watching videos or completing small offers. That flexibility is the key difference. But here's the problem. InboxDollars spreads your attention across many tasks, and not all of them pay equally. Some activities pay very little, which means you have to be strategic if you want higher earnings. Now let's compare them directly. Survey Junkie usually pays more consistently per survey, especially for users who qualify for higher value surveys. But InboxDollars gives more ways to earn, which means more opportunities if you are active and selective. In a minute, I'll break down which one is better depending on your situation so you can choose correctly. If you want simplicity, Survey Junkie is better. You open the app, do surveys, and cash out. There are fewer distractions and a cleaner earning path. If you want variety and more earning chances throughout the day, InboxDollars is better. You are not dependent on surveys alone, which helps when you get disqualified often. Here's the real conclusion. Survey Junkie pays better per successful survey, but InboxDollars gives more total earning opportunities. So the winner depends on how you work. If you want steady, focused earning, Survey Junkie wins. If you want flexible, multiple income streams, InboxDollars wins. So which should you choose in 2026? If you are a beginner who wants simplicity, go with Survey Junkie. If you want to maximize time and explore multiple earning methods, go with InboxDollars. To summarize, Survey Junkie is focused and consistent, while InboxDollars is flexible and opportunity-rich. Neither is a scam, but both require strategy to maximize earnings. If this helped you decide, like the video, comment which app you use, and subscribe for more honest earning comparisons like this.